Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FX Marina. Today in this video I'm going to show you how my expert advisor works in my Forex account, and so I will show you everything about my expert advisor which is run on Martingale strategy. And if you stay until the end of this video, you will get I will show you how you can get 100% free this EA from me, and probably it will be the first 100 people who comment on this video will get the EA 100% free. So basically this is Martingale strategy, and we call it never loss system because it will never lose if you manage it and if you set up this one is correctly, right? So I will explain everything about this EA, and let's go to the video. Okay, this is my Forex account. My broker is Hotforex, and I have account balance around $1,000, and at the moment one trade is running, and this strategy you can see the EA is running. The EA name is FX Marina, and you can see the smiley face here, so that means this EA is working now, right? So at the moment only one trade is running, and you can see the board at 1.0456, and take profit is already set at 10 pips away from the board price, because this is a buy trade and the lot size set at 0.01, right? So at the moment we have floating loss around 0.25, and if I go to account history, I can see that one I have around $1,500 profit, and I have deposited around 1,220, and withdrawal is around 1,700. So I have around profit $1,500. This is not for 1 month, this is not for 2 months. This account has been running for almost 700 days. So honestly this EA is not from the beginning, and I had so many strategies I have tested, and recently I have started this one. I have already back tested this one, and I found this one is all right for me, so that I started running this one. So this has been running for around 20 days, and I am happy with the performance that it has performed up to now, right? So when you talk about the Martingale strategy, so everybody is worried about Martingale strategy because most of the people say it will blow your account, right? So that is true. It will blow your account only if you don't manage it properly, because Martingale strategy is a very popular and very profitable strategy, and if the market moves against you, it can liquidate your account if you have not properly arranged, or you have not properly set up the EA as per the instructions. So basically it is it is important to set the parameters correctly, so you will be sure that you are in the protected area if the market moves against you, right? So this is expert advice FX Marina, and this is my own EA. So after this video I'm planning to give this EA for 100 people who comment in this video, and this is completely free. I don't charge for anything. Actually I have made this one using third-party application, like a third-party provider, because I did not have the knowledge of coding, so I had to get it done from someone else. But the strategy was developed according to my requirement, right? So when we want to check the parameters of this one, what we have to do is we have to go to FX Marine and right click on that one, then you scroll it down, expert advisors and properties, right? So this is my real account and it is not a demo account, right? So about this is FX Marine EA and the common. I have enabled alerts, live trading, DLL imports and this thing. And the imports, you can see this is very simple strategy where I have not put anything complicated. So I will explain you everything one by one. We have to change only 5 settings here. We don't have any complex settings in this strategy, right? So here first thing, FX Marine, we don't have to change this one. So we have to change only 5 settings. First one is clear, the base lot. That means the lot size of the first order. So I have put 0.01 for minimum, and one may be confused why I'm using 0.01 for $1,000 account. That is true because this is Martingale strategy. You have to have a strong account, you have to have a good balance if you want to run this one. And if you're having $100 account, I don't think this will be suitable because this will keep on buying as the market moves against you, right? So I would suggest at least $500 account to run this strategy. And if you don't have that much balance in your account, it is always better to run demo account and see how you can adjust this one. Actually, you can adjust this one even for $100, but it will be very less profit because you have to protect your account. To protect your accounts, you have to adjust the settings accordingly. So I will briefly explain one by one of the 5 settings we have to change here, and later I will explain you everything in an Excel sheet how this one really works and how you can protect your account and how many pips you want to protect in case the market moves against you, right? So okay, base lot size, we can change this one anything we want. So I have kept this one 0.01, right? Scaling take profit means that you can see scaling take profit. I will explain this one later. Before that, I have to explain this one. So I omit this one, but I will explain this one later. So I will go to static pips take profit. This is 10 pips, right? So 10 pips I have set this one. So you can change whatever you want, but basically you have to understand how this one performs. So then only you can change the settings the way you want, right? So you can see static pips take profit 10. So here you can see that one has already applied. That means when the first order is executed, we are giving instruction to EA, please close these trade with a 10 pips of profit. So you can put this one 10, 20, 30, 50, whatever you want, but for this example I'm showing you static pips take profit is the first order take profit. As you can see in this order, you can see both price 1.04 and 0.456 and will be closed at 1.0466. you can see the 10 take profit set here. So that is what I mentioned here, right? So then I have to talk about the deviation. Deviation is something like so here it is clear that when you first order is executed, it will be closed with a 10 pips profit, right? But what happens if the market moves against you, right? So if the market moves against you, in Martingale strategy, what you have to do is you have to buy the same type of order at the set point. So this is the set points. I have instructed it to buy the same order at 30 pips when the market moves against me. That means it will be around this is 1.0456. so my next order will be executed at 1.0426 because I want to buy the next order 30 pips down, 30 pips away from the original order. So you can change this one the way you want, but for this example I have kept it at 30 pips, right? So the next question is, if the next order is going to execute it at 30 pips away from the original position, so what will be the lot size, right? So here I have put 0.01 in the first order, and if you are putting the coefficient as 1, that means the second order also going to be executed at same lot size, right? So in Martingale strategy, the basic of Martingale strategy is when the market moves against you, you have to buy at a multiplication of the first order. But here I'm not doing that, because if we are going to coefficient in 2 times, 3 times and 4 times, you need more funds and it will be a risk to your account. So that's why I have made this EA to change the settings the way we want, not it is 100% automatic way, right? So this is, I have put coefficient 1 means the next order, if the market moves against you, it will buy at the same lot size. So if I'm putting here 2 means the next order will be 0.02. So if again market moves against you, the third order will be 0.04. Like that it will be multiplied. So it will be very dangerous if you have a small account, and for sure it will be liquidated if the market moves against you. So that's why you have to be very careful of this one. And if you don't have any understand of this EA, how this one works, that for sure your account will be liquidated. That's why so many people complaining Martingale strategy is very dangerous and should not run on any forex platform. But that is not true. That is not true. I will show you how really this one is to be set, and if you properly manage this one, this is the best EA that you can run, and you can get the profit very easily, right? So basically these things are the settings, and I have not explained the second one. Now I will explain this one. Scaling take profit means that now it is sure the first order will be closed with the 10 pips profit, but if the market again going against you, it will execute the second order, and if going against you more, it will execute the third order. Like that it will keep on buying, right? If the first order is buy, the next order would be buy, the third order would be buy. Like that it will keep on buying. So if the first order is sell order, the second order will be sell order again, the third order will be the sell order again. So in this example it will keep on buying, right? So since if you are having just imagine we have 5 orders already executed, so now this EA not interested about this take profit, this one 10 pips take profit, this one, it will focus only this value. So this will be the resultant of all the profit of the running trades. So if in this example 1 means if 5 trades are running and resultant profit is $1, immediately the EA will execute to close all running trades, because our resultant profit has made $1 profit. So you can put this one 1, 10, 50, whatever you want, but basically so understanding is should be that it will close all the trades when it hits this value. So when any instance that this EA running more than one order, it will not focus on the take profit, it will focus only the scaling take profit. So that is the thing that you have to bear in mind. So I think you already understood this EA. So base lot, scaling take profit, static take profit, and deviation, and the coefficient. So very simple, and you should not be worried for any reason, because this is very clear and it is not complicated or complex EA, right? So since I have already explained this one, I have to move to my Excel sheet which I have prepared. So there also I will explain how you can protect your account, how you avoid your account being liquidated, right? Let's move to my Excel sheet. There I will explain you this thing, right? Okay, this is my Excel sheet. So we should understand how this strategy works, then only you can protect your account, then only you can avoid liquidating your account, right? And for the 100 people, for the first 100 people, I'll be sharing this Excel sheet also, then you can see how you can protect your account, right? So you have to focus on these yellow color labels. The yellow color labels only you have to change according to your account balance, right? First thing is you have to put your account balance here, then you have to put the lot size, then you have to put the pips. This is what I explained there, how many pips below you are going to execute the second trade. So this is the multiplier. There I have put 1. There I name is as coefficient, so here I put 1, lot size 1, and the pips drop 0.0030 means 30 pips against the first order. So you can change this one as you want, but basically what you have to do is you have to protect your account. So here we can see if you are going to run on these EA on Euro USD pair, first you have to put the first lot size, first execution value. That means now Euro USD example, if 1.06, you have to put it here, and you have to put the first lot size. Then we can see if the market moves against our favor, what will happen to our account, right? So 1.06, if the first order is executed with the lot size 0.01, so what happens if the market moving against you? So you see the second order will be executed 30 pips down, the third one also 30 pips down, likewise it will be keep on buying. But here the lot size remains same. The reason why I have put the multiply or the coefficient at 1. If somebody wants to put 2 here, you can see everything will be changed and it will be multiplied. So in example, if first order is executed at 1.06 and if even the market moves, you can see keep on buying 20 times, and by now the market has moved against us almost 600 pips. You see 1.06 in to the last order would be 1.0030, so it is almost 570 pips. So if the market moves against you even 570 pips, your account is not liquidated, because you can see still you have equity of 370. So that is the most important thing, that when you want to protect your account, so you have to adjust this one and you have to be very careful of this lot size. So if you kept this one in multiply 1.1 or 1.3 or something like that, so there's a high chance of liquidation. So you can do that one, multiply 1.1, 1.2 like that if you have a good account balance. But in this case, $1,000 would be sufficient to keep 1.01 as per my experience, and this would be sufficient, because even in very rare case, even the market goes against you 600 pips, your account still safe, because you have equity of 370. Your account is not liquidated. So And the other thing is, I have kept this one, I have limited to 20 orders only, because if it is keep on buying until 30, 40 or 50 orders, definitely your account will be liquidated. So that's why the maximum number of orders I have limited to 20 only. So if you want to protect your account against 600 pips or 700 pips or 800 pips, you have to arrange this one accordingly. For me, for Euro USD, I believe the 600 pips will be sufficient, because we don't believe that sudden market drops 600 pips at once. Even it drops suddenly, it should regain, it should come back, it should turn up. So if it is turning up, you will be profited. You can see now 1.06 first order and 1.0030 is the last order. So if you put here the present value of Euro USD, example 1.350, you see your account balance is 1070, because you have already profited with $70 and your account balance, initial balance was $100, but now equity is 1070. You can see it has bounced back only 350 pips. Even it dropped 600 and bounced back only 350, but still you are on the profit side. So it is always better, it is true that it is always better to increase the lot size if the market moves against you, but the thing is, for that you have to have a sufficient account balance. If you don't have sufficient account balance, it will be very risky to change this value to increase the lot size when the market moves against you. So basically, as I explained before, the Martingale strategy, they always want to buy higher lot size if the market moves the other way. But even the Martingale strategy wants to do that, you have to be very careful of this, your account balance, because Martingale strategy is not going to help you if your account is liquidated. So this Excel sheet I will be sharing with you. So if you want this EA, what you have to do is comment in the video and send me an email. The email I have put in the description, so please remind me, I will send you this Excel sheet as well. So before putting the EA into work, it is always advisable to run on the demo account, and you will see what the performance is. So in demo account, you can change everything you want, and you have to find the best inputs or the values for yourself. For myself, this will be quite okay. I'm sure I can run this one for a long time with a good profit. But if you think this is not suitable for you, you can always change the yellow colors, and you can find your own settings. That is why I'm sharing this one with you, right? So this is all the buy orders, and if you want to do the sell orders as well, you can check this one out, right? And other thing, if someone asks how the first order is executed, is there any indicator or anything is involved with this one? Yes, this is exponential moving average coming to action for the first order, but that is not so important because this is Martingale strategy. So Martingale strategy doesn't matter first order buy or sell, because it will be keep on buying, and ultimately it will close with the profit. So that's why it is called a never loss system. So this is all about today's video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I think I have explained you everything as you can understand this one. So thank you very much for watching this videos, and before the ending of this video, I have to remind you, if you want this EA, you have to send me an email which is already listed in the description, and you have to comment this one in the video, right? So thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.